Are you looking to complement your modern home with sleek and sophisticated internal doors? Doors Plus has a collection of internal doors to elevate your interior to the next level. Our contemporary internal door designs are available in timber, composite, or aluminium, with the option of adding glass or mirrored panels to doors for both functionality and style. Whether you're looking for hinged, folding, sliding, or stacking doors, we have the perfect solution for every area of your home. Our Hamptons Range combines solid timber with translucent glass to invite natural light into your space. Choose from 4 designs and choose to have us paint or stain to suit your personal taste. To complement your chic decor without the premium price tag, our Definity series is ideal. The subtle etched design on these single or double doors offers understated elegance to any space. For the ultimate in peace and privacy, our Vogue acoustic doors deliver. Available in single or double, hinged or sliding options, their sound-reducing qualities make them an excellent choice for your office or bedroom. For the ultimate in style and sophistication, our New Yorker range reflects the luxury look of downtown Manhattan. And we can't forget the popular Shaker series, a timeless design for any home. Create a fresh and modern look in your home with our fully finished or custom-made internal contemporary style doors. Visit your nearest Doors Plus showroom today to see the range of modern interior doors and book your free measure and quote. Doors Plus, no fuss.